Hello and welcome to Season 1, Episode 9 of
Let's open it up and see what we get. Crack the pack and hope for the best.
Episode 9, so it's time for Fabled. And we start off today with Louisa Madrigal, Be Our Guest, Sergeant Tips, Pegasus, Develop Your Brain, Prince Eric, World's Greatest Criminal Mind, 4 Dozen Eggs, Pirate's Life, and Sisu as our first rare, Anna as our second rare, and what a beautiful artwork, and Timothy Q. Mouse as our foil. So let's wrap it up. With only 2 duplicates, we add 10 cards to our collection, going up to 44 cards, or around 22%. Let's get them in the binder, and don't forget about Timothy. And as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you on the next one.